I have so much respect for our athletic trainers that work in the secondary schools because to me, they are the foundation of our profession. I've seen cases where you have a great athlete, but they have no medical care. There was no athletic trainer at the high school, so they lose out on a great opportunity.
My vision for all the students at John L. LaFleur Magnet High School was that we can demonstrate to them what we can provide to help them perform at a higher level. I've relied heavily on the experience that I've had over the past 25 years to be able to get them to become the best athlete that they can be. We're going through this expansion project of the high school. Athletic facilities are going to be closing, so I was working out of an office space. We started working on plans of what we wanted to do, and then we learned of all the stuff happening with Byron and the donation and how we were going to be able to take care of some things.
That's it. Good. That's it. Good. You better build that speed up. There you go. That's good though. Hey. One more.
I've been working with the Rams for 16 years. I came out of the Mobile County Public School System, so when I was there, we really didn't have an athletic training presence. This is a place where I just thought I would never be. I don't take that for granted. Come to work every day and put my best foot forward, try to give the best care that I can. 2024, I was the recipient of the Tim Davey Award given to one assistant athletic trainer on the National Football Conference and the American Football Conference. It was such a humbling experience. LaFleur has been a part of me my entire life. And that community, being able to give back is something that I've always wanted to do. I just didn't really know when and how. Winning this award and me being able to redesign an athletic training room was my choice. Going back to my high school was to me a no-brainer.
Byron and I met, we hung out for a couple of hours looking around, talking about some things, and he was very excited to see my vision and what I was doing be supported by what he was trying to do with Henry Schein. We built these partnerships with all these organizations. I think it got Byron even more excited about the potential of what we could do.
Ian has become a good friend of mine. What I love about Ian, he pours his heart into the profession of athletic training and into those kids.
I'm at a school that was without an athletic trainer for almost 18 months prior to my arrival. Into year 4, they really now have an understanding of what we do and what we're able to provide for them.
One of the things that I wish people understood about athletic training is that we wear so many different hats.
We don't just carry water bottles, or we're not just taping. They don't see all the detail that goes in. They see you standing around on a Friday night at a football game on the sideline.
We do a lot when it comes to tracking and performance, nutrition. We have to basically always communicate with our players. Working at this level, we're the psychologist, rehab clinician. Sometimes we have to play coach, we have to play brother, we have to play father.
You get to build that rapport with that athlete. We're with them as much as they are with their parents and their teachers. So we see the day-to-day growth of them. And that's the best part of the profession.
Obviously, our athletes go through so many different things, particularly when they're hurt. We have to be there for them at all times when it comes to their return to play. It's that mental aspect of it. And it's often hard to convince your athletes that they are okay, that they can go out there and do their job.
It really is a trust factor where they know that you're going to fight for them every chance that you get. You're really trying to make sure that you're giving each one of them the time and attention that they deserve through the whole process.
And athletic trainers are very important for the community. I have so much respect for our athletic trainers that work in the secondary schools because to me, they are the foundation of our profession. They are the ones that help the young athlete to get to the professional setting. And they always say, if it wasn't for my athletic trainer at my high school, I don't know if I would be here now.
It's going to impact the entire athletic program because we'll be able to care for that student athlete better than we ever have before. The location is so much more centralized, close to where our 2 gyms are. So there's going to be a lot more space for them to be able to do all the functional stuff they need versus having to do it in a hallway or wait till they get into the gym. We're very excited just to have some of the basic equipment for rehab that we've been missing.
As athletic trainers, we're very passionate about what we do. I love working with the athlete. I love being what I call on the front lines of athletic training. I'm able to get athletes back out on the field. Now, in having the space to work in, I can sleep well at night knowing that I'm making a difference in somebody else's life.
I think we're going to have many more students who want to be able to get some experimental learning, working with their classmates and understanding why do we do certain things in a certain way.
As far as the young professionals go, I always tell them you have to stay adaptable. Medicine changes all the time.
Everything is always just trying to move forward. The end result is we'd love to get all of our kids recruited by colleges and play that sport they love at the next level. Many of them after college may not be able to continue on in their sport, but they've learned so many life lessons through high school and through college sports, and now they've got this background in an education. These are these life lessons that are going to go with you wherever you take them. Byron could have picked any high school in LA that he wanted to, but he wanted to bring it back to his school to make sure that what we're going to do is best care for the student athlete at John L. LaFleur Magnet School.
I am so thankful for Henry Schein and PFATs because I know this opportunity doesn't happen for everyone. For me to just give back to my high school, to my community, it's just a lasting legacy that those kids will always enjoy for years to come.